Just put it on this and record.
Bro, it fell down. I don't know.
Bro. रख ले इधर रख. Why will it fall off?
Nah, he fouled his own player.
Who?
Afan.
Afan isn't.
He slid tackle and then this thing, John went, but then what's that guy?
Fun.
Sabel fell on.
My guy, bro. Go on. Bro, is Afan a defender or an attacker? Both. Oh, see him.
Bro, Ariman, stop showing your ass.
Bro, I'm trying to go that side.
Come from behind or something. Bro, he's like catwalking and coming in front of the camera.
To show his freakiness.
No, come on. Boy, parna chu. You wanna go to Mumbai restaurant after this? Mumbai meri jaan. Pani puri.
Depends. I think these people might come Barwa Village because if they want to eat something, Barwa Village is the best.
The behen chod. Aleen is a truck, bro. Aleen being the truck as usual. Sohaib does the throw over here, and he is overthrown and misses Ankan. Prithak does another throw. Goes to Kautik. Kautik defends. Gyandeep's arms. Gyandeep has gotten good arms to fall for. And it's out again. It's for C-section. Aryan taking the throw. Is he going to be autistic? No, he's going to throw properly. And it hits Gyandeep's face. Ankan goes for it, but it goes back. Prithak takes a shot. Misses. Right, shoots it long. Goes to Aleen. He's going forward. The referee says it's a hand, but the game is still going on. Ankan going forward. And all in vain.
Go.
Corner for B section. Ankan takes it. Oh. Yes! Go back. It was not in vain.
Game's not over.
Scored 1-1. B section can just hope it doesn't get drawn, because if it goes into penalties, they will not want to repeat what happened last time. Sabel takes the kick, passes to Aleen. Aleen passes it to Raj instant. And touches Prithak and goes back. Out by Prithak. Ankan taking the throw. Goes to Nikhil, goes to Zohaib.
He's pushing, bro.
You were grabbing his shirt, Loki.
That's yellow. You're talking, that's yellow. No. There is no way, bro. Bro, come on. What is going on, bro?
Arman, you do that one more time. This camera is going inside your asshole. Yeah?
I can't even moan properly, bro.
Shit, what do you mean?
It just came off.
Oh shit. उल्टा कर दिया.
No, it's okay. It's okay. No, it's okay.
हाँ ठीक छोड़ो.
Why is it so dull?
I think see coming.
Where's the ball? Oh. Right, taking the kick. Is he going to make it short or long? And I think he's going to take it long. Yup, he does take it long. And he passes it to Ali. Oh! Bhaskar shoots it. Goes to Kautik.
Oh my god!
Phenomenal save by Gyandeep. 2 times in a row. Ankan has the ball. He dribbles. He's going forward. Gives it to Jojo. Ah! Yes! Ankan the goat as usual, scoring, and that's Raju sir in the background. Yes, in the purple t-shirt. C-section in tremendous pressure right now.
Yo, 3 minutes, yeah?
Ankan clears it. Awesome. Oh! Bhaskar almost fucked it up, as always.
What?
Goes high. Ankan controls and it goes out.
Did not control.
Nice Aryan. Nice ass Aryan.
He didn't even touch the ball.
Trust. Wait, so it's out for whom?
Both, they're giving a throw in.
Okay.
Because Bhaskar threw it to.
Ankan throws it to Nikhil. Nikhil passes it to Aleen. Aleen passes it to Savil. Never mind, he does not. Afan skibidi dub dog. Pass it to Aryan. Aryan, is he going to take a shot? No, he does not. He passes it to Savil. Savil is going in. Prithak takes a shot and misses. Awesome defending by Kaushik right here.
Hand!
Okay, fine.
Passes it to Nikhil. Nikhil goes in. Shoot! Another goal by Zohaib. 3-1. Shit, good thing it wasn't a hand. Aryan, good call. Aryan, how much time left? In 3 minutes, huh?
3 minutes 15.
In 3 minutes and 15 seconds, will be C-section be able to score 2 goals to draw it or 3 goals to win it? Seems unlikely, but it's the game of football, right? France versus Argentina, and here they're taking the fast turn. Afan has the ball, passes to Prithak. Prithak controls, he's dribbling against Ankan defense. Aryan has the ball, he's going to take a shot.
Oh my god!
Gyandeep, the wall of B section. Gyandeep has been tremendous this match, saving not 1 but almost 5 goals. And Aryan takes a corner. Jojo taking it. And out. Goal kick. Bro, was Jojo not fouled? He had 2 people. 2 people banged him, bro.
Why isn't Johan passing? Nikhil is open there.
So now Jojo's doing good what he's doing. Prithak has the ball. Prithak is alone on side though. Is he going to be make a different? 3-2. Prithak scores with 3 defenders and no one to support him. Score is B is 3, C is 2. Both teams as motivated as they could ever be.
There. No way. Guys, come back.
Aleen has the ball. He's going to throw it to Prithak. Prithak launches it high in the air. And it's out. Out by... Not Raj. It's a goal kick. Is Raj going to take a shot alone? Is he... Here, Uncle passes it to Jojo. Jojo fails. Aryan doing what he does as usual, just screaming. Oh. Gyandeep, the Dravid of our team. Nikhil, watch out.
Back.
Some argumentation going on over here. Oh, bro, I have 5 commentary, I can't lie.
No, you're saying the wrong shit, dude.
Fuck off. Referee says if the ball goes to section. I'm out. Referee's call, final call. How is this wasting time? God knows. Yeah, a lot of argumentation happening over right again. It's slowed down and it's happening again. I'm going for a upper. Why are you going for a lower? What the fuck? Yeah. Saville throws it to Prithak and it goes outside. Aryan has the ball. Is who's going to pass it to? Aryan passes to, and it's a different. Oh, this is going to keep doing that constantly, just heading it outside. Oh, Ankan, good defending. Ankan, the goat he is. Oh, good defending by Jojo right here. Awesome. Saville throws it to Afan. Goes to Ryan. Ryan. Fuck. Nice.
Those guys' cramps are killing him.
Ankan going forward. Oh. Huh?
He went way too front.
It's fine. Aline takes the shot. Aline passes it to Prithak. Prithak misses it. It's an out for B section. My bicep feels like they're told. Ariman, time. Time's up, no?
No.
20 plus 2 hours. Ankan throws it to Aya. Bhaskar gets the ball. Bhaskar is gonna throw it to Aline.
Go.
Saville has the ball. Saville's running. He takes a shot and it's blocked by Ankan.
What's Riot?
No, it hit Ankan.
Yeah, it was a Riot.
No, Raj was too short for that. Oh, Gandhi punches it away. Nikhil has the ball. Nigga, are you autistic? Why would you just pass it to Zohaib? Bhaskar passes it to Afan. Afan passes it to Saville. Saville.
It's over.
Is Nikhil going to take a shot? Is he going to pass? He takes a shot. Oh, he misses again. Okay, recording this is going to get deleted again. And Aline passes it to Prithak. There's no defenders. Absolutely no one. Prithak takes a shot.
Let's go.
Ankan puts his third leg over there.
Last one. Out. Full time. Extra time.
Gandhi, my God. I kept saying take Gandhi. I kept saying take Gandhi.
These both on the counter attack, man. I think I was getting fouled the most, yeah?
My ball!
I'm no price. Okay, fine. You invest in something.
No, let me come.
Hey guys, don't take it down. Hey, मैं छोटा हूँ. I'm more than 40. Guys, I'll send you a body picture. Last time he lost both the matches, this time he scored. My hand's gone off. That was a good one. So we come back and see, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I don't care about that. Who cares about pricing?